Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So for this video I'll be using the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette, and I'm gonna go ahead and prime my lid, and I'm going to take this like cranberry color from the palette, and I'm gonna put that in my transition area, and I'm gonna blend it out with that orange shade that's right next to it. So I just kind of mix the colors together as I blend them, so I can have like sunset looking color. And then I'm going to take my P. Louise base in the shade Rumor 3, which is more of a brown base. And I'm going to cut my crease. And the more I'm cutting my crease, I'm just making the crease ending more of like a wing like effect instead of just cutting off right where my lid ends. I'm kind of just winging it out some. And then I'm going to take Desert Sand from the palette and put that on top of the P. Louise base just so my eyes won't crease. I'm going to take this brown from the Huda Beauty palette, and I'm going to take a BH Cosmetics brush and give myself a wing with the eyeshadow. And it doesn't have to be perfect because I'm going to go ahead and blend it out with the e.l.f. brush, but I'm just trying to get a wing liner look going with the eyeshadow. And then I'm going to take these lashes and put my lashes on. This is just supposed to be a very simple but glammy eye makeup look, so this is why it's not a lot needed for the eyes. It's just something simple to do. And I definitely have more videos on my channel where I have looks that aren't so just subtle. They're really bold and glittery, so you can check those out if you want to. And then I'm just gonna wipe away the extra product that I don't need around my eyes. I'm just wiping it away and perfecting what I need to perfect. I think I was just diffusing that line out some more. And I set my under eyes with the Laura Mercier dark powder instead of like the usual light powder that I do, because I didn't want my face to be that bright. It's just something neutral that I needed. And then I'm going to take that cranberry shade and put that on my waterline. You always should put something on your lower lash line. I just feel like it makes the makeup pop out some more. Makes the eye makeup pop out more. And then I'm going to take this glow kit from ABH and put some highlights on. And then, of course, I'm putting on some brown lip liner and the NYX Lingerie Lip Gloss in the shade Sable. And I'm going to put that on. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. I tried to make it a challenge for me to not use any glitter or like wild colors, so I think I passed. I'm trying to make makeup tutorials that are still on like the warmer side with the browns and the oranges and cranberries. So I was like, this is a good look to do. Instead of doing all the bright stuff, I know not everybody's into the bright colors when it comes to makeup. So I hope this will do. But thank you so much for watching. Thank you for the support. If you aren't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye-bye.